Hi, my name is Travis Fisher. I did my infographic on smoking statistics. When designing my infographic, I used traditional techniques, including a grid layout with focal points and a visual hierarchy. I used Gestalt principles and color principles as well. I followed the traditional convention of making an infographic longer than it is wide. This has been done because infographics are made with internet users in mind who like to scroll down rather than sideways. I base the architecture of my infographic on the ideas of a grid layout. A hypothetical grid is cut into the infographic space, and then the data is designed around that layout. Researchers have found cutting a grid into thirds is helpful. I have used this, as can be seen by the divisions here and here. Focal points are also useful in infographics. Focal points carry visual weight and naturally draw the eye. I made my data the focal points accentuated by the images at the top of the subdivisions. Besides this, I have used a visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchies are useful in letting the reader predict the format of the infographic. As can be seen, the visual hierarchy is the image, the title, and then the data. Besides these techniques, I use Gestalt principles. Gestalt principles originated from German psychologists in the 1920s. While I only used one of their techniques, I used it heavily, which was alignment. I use center alignment for all of my statistical categories, as can be seen here. Besides this, a few techniques from the color theory were incorporated into my project, specifically color harmony, color themes, color meaning, and contrast. Contrast is when a background and a text color are the same but vary in saturation. I use this in my titles of the data sections. A color theme was chosen based on the meaning and connotation the theme inspired. Traditionally, red, white, and black are associated with alerts and ambulances, which I thought was a fitting connotation for my statistics. The gray background was chosen as it seemed to capture the feeling of a smoky environment, which accentuated the smoking statistics. My name is Travis Fisher. Thanks for listening.